Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create or take a quiz in your account on Copilot, for example, to learn new things, to acquire knowledge, for example, or just for fun. So let us guide you through this. So navigate to your account on Copilot first and start a new conversation by clicking into new chat here in the top left corner. Make sure that you're logged in with your Microsoft account so that your conversations may be saved. As you can see, guys, let me show you this example quiz here about geography. I started it, and yeah, let me show you how you can do that as well. You will see the result, for example, these questions, and you may use these questions to learn, for example, something I don't know about, for example, geography. So what you want to do is start a new chat, and here in the text field or panel, what you want to do is click into that plus button and choose take a quiz. And after that, you will see that example or default prompt here. So you can use one of these suggestions, or you can type in your personalized prompt. I will go with this one. You quiz me on space exploration missions and their achievements, just for the sake of this tutorial. And after that, Copilot will start preparing a quiz for you with some questions. So let me show you the first question, and then you can apply this for your own quizzes. So wait for it for a brief moment. Usually it's between 1 and 5 questions, at least in that example quiz here. So you will see these questions. There you go, question 1 of 5, and you may, for example, enable a hint here. You may leave a thumbs up, thumbs down, share the quiz, copy the given message, let Copilot read it out loud, or rewrite it, or open it in a new page. And that's the question. So I don't know the answer, to be honest. It's definitely not Gemini 4 and definitely not that one. It's either one of these Apollos. I'll go with 11. So the answer was correct. So you may enable the hint here if you like and click here to access the next question. And that's how it works, guys. And once you have made it to question number 5, you will receive your result, like I did here for that quiz, and Copilot will give you the opportunity, for example, to take another quiz or to convert this quiz into a study and learn session, and then, for example, your prompt will be converted into such a prompt here, for instance, and Copilot will provide you with knowledge and guide you through the given topic. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.